This presentation is a non-presentation, just mentioning that the workshop tasks include several advanced topics that are optional for you, up to you whether you try them out or not. And these include getting data from Scopus rather than the Web of Science, getting larger sets of articles for the world reference set or an individual field and year, the queries for random sampling, other types of web citations such as grey literature and pattern citations or general web citations, also PowerPoint and syllabus mentions. I won't give a presentation for these, but information about how to do them is in the notes, and they're small extensions for what's been covered in the presentations. So I hope these workshops have made sense and been useful. If you have any questions, please email me to let me know, m.thelwall, and I'll try and answer any queries that you've got. So good luck.